All right, let's give it the test here on this old 15-watt drive amp. So what I'm going to do here, very simple, just line it up, plug it in. Since I've only got a 1/4-inch jack on this one, I'm going to use this 1/4-inch adapter, line it up, plug it in, plug that into the amp, turn the power on the transmitter, green light, power on the receiver, green light here. Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, so what I'm going to do now is remove my lapel mic, set it over by the amp here so you can hear it. And then I'm going to, that shed out there is about 30 foot away, and that fence door opening is about 40 foot away. So let's test it out. Let's go. How's my hair look? Does it look all right? Where's my dog? Rigatoni, come here. Come here, buddy. Is it still working? I'm at about 30 foot right now. 30 foot, 40 foot, opening the fence. You get 45 foot, probably 50 feet at least, 60, 70, 80, 90, about 100 foot, almost out to the road. I'm going back. I turned it off and I turned it back on again at about 50 feet, and it connected, I guess, if it's working. Rigatoni, who's a good boy? You're a good boy. All right, here we go. Pretty good distance on it, huh?